Alright, let me add some red paint to these lips. Gotta stay inside the lines, though. Don't want sloppy lipstick. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Oh, better not forget about that little heart over there. You know what this needs? Some glitter. Ooh, nice. That was such a great party! I had a fantastic time! Phew, I am tired, though. I've got some tinsel stuck to me. Fun. Ugh, my contacts are really drying out my eyes, though. Wait a second. I can't mess with my eyes with these nails. They're so long and pointy. But I don't have a choice. These are the only fingers I have. Here I go. Just gotta be careful. Don't flinch. Don't flinch. Don't even breathe. Nope. No way. I can't do it. I just poked my eyes out. There's gotta be something else I can do. I don't think there's anything around that I could use. Huh. Wait a second. Maybe I can use the cotton swabs. Well, let's see. They're pretty fuzzy. That's the opposite of pointy and sharp. But maybe there's some way I can adjust them. Okay, they're sort of a cotton swab tweezer now. Time to give them a try. Let's get this contact out of my eye. Can I get it? I got it! I got the contact out! There you go. Back into your contact case you go. Better take the other one out now, too. Wow, that's way better. And I have to say, I'm a genius. Stop! I can't play with you right now.
You're no fun. Take this! Ha!
What the heck? Knock it off! I'm trying to do my makeup! Okay, just gotta be really careful with this next step.
Woo! I'm the fastest in the whole world!
Ugh, this is ridiculous.
Woo!
I'm never gonna get this done with her running around here. Okay, I just gotta be extra careful. I can do this.
Look out! Here I come! Beep beep! This is my road!
Oh! Are you kidding me? My eyeliner's totally ruined now! I need a way to distract her so I can finish my look. Let's see. I've got these lollipops in here. Oh, and some tape. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty inspired by this setup. This is gonna be my solution for sure. Here, take these lollipops and calm down.
Yay! Candy! I love it!
Alright, now this tape will help me with my eyeliner troubles. Let me just put tape over this line that I don't want. I gotta make sure it really sticks to the makeup. And now I can just peel it up and the line comes out with the tape.
It got wet with the tape! 3 lollipops are better than 1 lollipop.
Okay, I think I'm digging this color. Wait a second. Yes! A heart! That's definitely what I have to do! And I've got just the color that'll work. Time to get drawing on my face. Ah! What the heck? That didn't turn out good at all! I've just got a red blob on my cheek now. I'll try again. This time for sure. Wait, that's a star, not a heart. I mean, it looks nice, but it's not what I want at all. There's gotta be something in here that can help. Oh! I've got a sponge and scissors. I can make this work. Okay, my cutting skills are better than my drawing skills. I've got a heart! And now I need this glue stick. I'll just add the sponge to my glue stick. Nice! Time to get back to my lipstick. I need to get that lip color onto the sponge now. Ooh, it's a nice red color. I love my little heart. Wow. Okay, let me press this onto my cheek and see if it works. Oh my gosh! It totally worked! They're so cute! I absolutely love them! My look is so cute today. Yes! Time to face the day.
La la la! I love my pigtails! Huh? Wait, I can't get this hair binder out. It's too tight. Ouch! Owie! My head itches and hurts! I hate my pigtails! I hate them! Get out! I don't want them anymore!
Honey, what's wrong? Why are you crying?
I can't get my pigtails out! I don't want them anymore!
Oh, I see. Well, I can help you with that. Let me just take these out. Wow, these are pretty tight. I'll just give them a little tug.
Mom, stop! Ouch, that hurt!
Well, okay then. I guess I'll need to use the scissors then.
No! Don't cut off my hair!
Oh, honey. Okay, well what if we try this instead? It's not scissors, so it can't cut off your hair.
No! I don't want that. It's scary.
Well, I'm running out of ideas here. Wait, a wrench! That can totally solve the problem. I'll just slide your hair through the wrench. And now I can just twist it and the wrench should take it off. Huh. Well, that didn't work at all like I thought it would.
I hate pigtails!
I know, I'm sorry. There has to be something I can do. What's that? Oh! Coconut oil! That might just be the solution. Honey, I think I know what to do. Let me just add a little drop of oil onto this binder.
Ooh, that smells yummy.
I know, right? Now try and pull that binder out of your hair.
Okay. Wow! It's coming out! It's not in my hair anymore! Gimme! I need more!
There you go. Just put it on your hair and it will all come out.
Okay. Wow! This one came out too! Yay! And this one! Now just one more! It's coming out too! Yay! I love coconut oil!
Oh my gosh, I'm so late! Oh wow, you're a total mess. I know, don't look at me. I'm not at my best. I've just gotta get some makeup on. That'll help. There. I need this concealer. Gotta cover these dark circles. This class is boring. Huh? Is she doing her makeup over there? Almost done with my eyes. Is the teacher looking? Nope. I'm okay to keep going. Need to add some glitter. Whoa! What the heck? How did she do all of that? That's so much better. Now let me add a little bling. I'm so glad I remembered to bring this with me. Because I need it. What? No way! She keeps getting even better! Okay, let me get these little sparkly blings into my hair. Just gotta give this a little squeeze, and now I've got cute little gems. I'm just gonna keep adding them down the strand. And then I'll add some more on this side and the other side too. Yes! This is turning out so good! I love it! I wish I had cool little gems in my hair. Should I ask her? Okay, last one, and now I'm done! Yes! I love how my hair turned out! I just have to be brave. I can just ask her. Huh? Oh, you want to borrow this? Sure thing! Oh my gosh! Really? Are you serious? Okay, thanks! I can't wait to put gems in my hair, too! Well, it is a lot of fun. Enjoy! Guess I better actually get started with my schoolwork. Oh hey, those turned out great! Thank you! I love them so much! They're amazing! And then he totally told me that he didn't have a new phone after all. That's so weird. Guys are hard to figure out sometimes. Oh, hey, your hair is looking a little unkempt. Really? It is? Let me take a look. I'll just use my camera. What? Why is it so bad? I gotta fix this. I'll be right back. What are you gonna do with that floss? Ooh, this is a nightmare. It's even worse than I thought. Good thing I have this floss with me. It's gonna solve my problem. I've got a long strand, and now I just need to run it down my hair. Yes, it's already working! The floss is taming everything! Can't forget to do this side either. This side might have been worse. I'm back. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to leave you alone. Whoa, your hair looks so much better. How did you do that? Oh well, that's what the emergency floss is for. It can help keep your hair under control. Like mine was. I have so much homework to do and not enough time to do it! Gosh, I'm so tired. This homework is really beating me down. Huh? No! I'm gonna be late! Ah! I'm gonna be late and look terrible! Look at how dark these circles are! I need concealer. I gotta work fast, though. I don't have any time to spare! No! That just made things worse! Wait a second. I think I know what I can do. This lipstick always solves my makeup problems. But I'll put it under my eyes instead of on my lips. Just a few dabs, and now I can blend it in with my brush. It might take a bit to really get it to blend. And I can't forget about this eye either. That should be enough. And now blend, blend, blend. Okay, now I'm ready for the concealer. And back to blending. Good blending is the cornerstone of any makeup routine. Or at least that's what I would say if I was an influencer. Phew! Everything's better now. Time to let my hair down. And now I'm ready for class! Hey all! I hope you liked our video! If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. And tell your friends too. Don't forget to leave a comment too. We love to hear from you. Would you use floss to tame your hair? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our channel for more great videos. And like and share this one!